Sine of log x, sine of log x plus cos of log x, sine of log x plus cos of log x dx, cos of log x dx. Log x equal to t, 1 by x, dx equal to dt, dx value x into dt. All of you listen. Integral sin t plus cos t, sin t plus cos t dx value x dt. ప్రాబ్లం మొత్తం ఉంటే xలో ఉండాలి, లేదా ప్రాబ్లం మొత్తం tలో ఉండాలి, అంతేగాని ఇక్కడ x అనేది ఉండకూడదు. సో ఫస్ట్ రిమూవ్ దట్ x. హౌ టు రిమూవ్ దట్ వన్? log x means log x base c, log x base c. From this one x value is e power t, so e power t into dt. So dx value e power t dt. So this is in the form e power x f of x f dash x dx, e power x f of x, derivative of sin x equal to cos x. So answer is e power t into sin t, e power log x sin of log x plus c equal to x. That is the direct formula. E power log x base c, base c, bases are equal, so answer is x. Sin log x plus c, integral 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square dx, log x whole square dx. Listen, same calculation, rough work is same. Integral 1 by t, 1 by t square dx value e power t dt. So this is f of x, this is f dash x, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So this is f of x, this is f dash x. So e power t into f of x value 1 by t, e power log x by log x, e power log x value x by log x, x by log x plus c. Bit number 103, integral e power x log x plus 1 by x square dx, 1 by x square dx. First listen, integral e power x log x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square dx. Add 1 by x minus 1 by x. See, integral e power x log x plus 1 by x dx. Integral e power x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. Split into two parts. See, this is f of x, this is f dash x, e power x into fx. Again same formula. This is f of x, this is f dash x. So e power x into minus 1 by x. Take e power x common. Log x minus 1 by x. 106. Integral e power sin inverse x 1 plus x by under root 1 minus x square dx. All of you listen. Sin inverse x equal to t. Sin inverse x equal to theta. That implies x value sin theta. X value sin theta. So this is integral e power sin inverse theta equal to theta. This is theta. Next, 1 plus x value sin theta under root 1 minus sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Root value cos theta. Next, dx value cos theta d theta. Sin inverse x. We know the formula when e power x. When e power x. But in x place there is a function. In x place there is a function. So let it be t. Let it be t. So sin inverse x equal to theta. X equals sin theta. Dx value cos theta d theta. Take LCM. E power theta. Cos theta LCM. Cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta d theta. Cos theta cancel. E power x f of x plus f dash x e power x f of x plus f dash x. So answer is e power theta into sin theta, e power x into f of x, e power x into f of x. So e power theta means sin inverse x. E power sin inverse x into sin theta value x.